Hey BNB Formula people, my name is Seth.
I'm Jake.
And we're brothers from Illinois. And we've been using BNB Formula for a few months now.
Yeah, and it's been awesome, really. We first heard about it from a podcast.
I was watching Entrepreneurs on Fire, and Brian came on the podcast. I was actually living in China at the time, and I thought this would be a great way to make some extra passive income. And I called my brother Jake, who was living in Illinois, and I was like, yo, dude, we should do this. And he said yes, so we did.
Yeah, and we were going to wait a little bit until he got back, but then I was getting too antsy, so we ended up buying it in January, I think. And I remember texting him and saying, we did it! Just like we were actually going through with it. And it felt awesome. Like I was super, super excited about it and started looking around for properties and stuff. And we actually ended up finding a duplex. And man, it's been awesome. It's been killing it. I think last month we've had it up for three months now.
3 months.
And this past month, with the two sites combined, we brought in $5,000, which was awesome. I tell my friends I feel like I'm cheating life because we're making money, and at this point we've got everything set up pretty much to be automated, and so it's so hands off. It's easy.
It's amazing. And we live in a town of 100,000 people, so we thought there was no way there would be an Airbnb market. But we went through with it, and people ask us all the time, why would people stop in Bloomington Normal for Airbnb? And we say, why not? Just think about how many hotels are there. You just got to take one hotel room away from one of those hotels, and you got it. So we booked literally all but like 2 days each month, some better than that. And we have already made our money back through for the rent all the way through November, which is amazing.
Yeah, it's been easy. We can't wait to start opening more and to start managing those. And I think it's going to be great. I'm excited. The possibilities are endless. Yeah, 1 or 2 big wins. Man, I think the point when I knew we were there is actually this past month when we brought in. Actually, I think it ended up being $5,500. And I remember texting him. That's just with 2 properties. And so I texted him. And I was like, if we had 4, we would have brought in $10,000.
Good.
Hey,
He's good at math.
Just simple math, but that's exciting, and that's just in 1 month. So if you just keep adding to it, it just keeps coming.
And one of the coolest things is that Jake and I are both passionate about other things. We have other jobs, we do other stuff, and we're able to do all that. And I'm about to leave for 2.5 months for my job, and I'm able to work from the road and answer messages through Airbnb, and he can just hit me up and say, hey Seth, answer this question, or do this or do that. And it's really it's easy to do it as a team and do what we want to do while we do this kind of on the side. The passive income.
I work part-time for an airline, so it allows me to travel. We went to Europe, went to Germany and Austria, and it was very hands-off. I didn't have to worry about much. My cleaners came in and cleaned, and the people came in and stayed, and it was stress-free and easy. So
to sum it all up, we love BNB Formula, we love Airbnb and passive income. It's amazing. Get that cash, make it rain.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.